DFS Pharma thinks Medrio is a strong company that provides an easy-to-learn product, but at the same time, it's a very robust product.
When the first time I saw Medrio, I was impressed with the simplicity of it because there are a lot of EDC systems that are very difficult to understand. But Medrio is really something you can pick up just off the table. If you've ever worked in data management before, it's really an easy system to get used to.
Medrio has exceeded my expectations in how quick it was to learn. I was thinking that there would be a very large learning curve where it would take me months to figure out how to do things, but in reality it only took me weeks to really build my own study.
I mean, Medrio is easy to build in simply because you can configure it any way you want.
There's not everything everywhere. Everything what you need to use is in one spot. It's easy to find. I can access it and I can do what I like to do. I like the way the reports come out and the Excel, so I can filter everything. So it's been really nice to use it like that.
The learning curve in training employees is very short compared to a number of the other products, any of the other products for that matter. So that training expense is diminished, and it's fantastic.
I mean, if you're taking a study that someone has built, we can fix it rather easily because Medrio gives us the flexibility to do that.
The timelines usually go very quick. That's one of the great things, is that we can get something together, we can put it out and have it ready very quick. And then mid-study changes too at the same time. Those are very easy to do.
I think one of the efficiencies that ePro Mobile has really brought to clinical trials is how fast data can be entered into the system. I know that's what a lot of sponsors are looking for. It's what most people are looking for now with the EDC systems, is the ability to have your data entered at the site, and you don't have any of that time delay of getting data entered. The support team. Anytime I have any kind of issue or I need help or maybe I'm confused or just any kind of feedback I need, I can always contact Medrio at support and I either get email right back, a phone call. Someone is always immediately responsive to my needs and can provide me the answer I need. It's very much right there anytime you need it.
Because at DFS we've been working in Medrio for so long, we come up with some pretty specific technical questions. And I've yet to come up with one that you guys don't know the answer to.
Their relationship with us is exceptional. Their support staff, they'll follow up with us immediately, and just the contact and relationship that they provide with us. It's a relationship first with Medrio, and we feel the same way at DFS Pharma, and we think that's a very important thing.
You don't need to know how to program, you don't need to know code, you don't need to know any of that. You just kind of need to know what you want it to look like.
It's quicker to build. Whenever you say EDC overnight, you can really build a database in half the time that you would get in these other larger systems. I think there's some possibilities that are endless what you can kind of do with this.
Medrio is being a software as a service is very beneficial, especially for us. We don't want to have a data center. We want to be able to have the product available when we need it available, and that's what Medrio does.